Hi everybody and welcome to today's cryptocurrency channel, and today we would be considering one of our favorite coin on the channel, which is GALA USD. Right, if you like the channel, don't forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, click on the share button, share with your friends, and then we will have a great time. Right, it's your boy Crypto Femi once again wishing you happy Thanksgiving. Right, today we begin our analysis from the weekly time frame. Is GALA USD. Binance is the data source. Right, and as if we can see right on the weekly time frame, this looks very bad for GALA at the moment, and probably we should still expect more bad news, right? But let's just look at it, right? If we see most of the time for price usually gravitates towards the EMA rebound. So we should be expecting a pump for GALA, but on the weekly, as you can see, a lot of money is leaving GALA, and this is actually a very bad sign for GALA. So probably we might see some more downsides, but let's see what the chart is saying. Our indicators is telling us, as you can see, money is leaving GALA in huge ways. Same thing in the oscillator on the weekly, and so that is not really nice for the price of GALA at the moment. If we switch over to the 3 days time frame, same thing. As you can see, GALA is almost reaching right the listing zone on Binance, right? It was listed at 0.021 cents, and we're almost getting to the listing price, even though we should expect right a pop-up down to even the 0.045 region, right? But for now, we are having a lot of volume leave GALA, and this is actually a very bad sign, right? And we love our EMA ribbons because you would have the risk state here if you were no, or probably here. If we bring up our indicators on the 3 days time frame, as you can see, money is still leaving GALA, and this is actually a very bad sign for GALA. And so probably we should expect more downward price action in the meantime. If we switch over to the daily, as you can see, we are being rejected at our liquidity zones. We always mentioned that everywhere you see this blue on the chart, these are our liquidity zones. So when you're placing your buy and your sell orders on the exchanges, right, we have a tool that brings this all together from all the exchange and tells us where the liquidity is. As you can see, we are still in the daily liquidity zone for GALA, and as you can see, right, we have not been able to overcome this little liquidity zone, and we are still being rejected by the price at this period. So we probably should still expect furthermore downward price action for GALA. I'm sorry if you're a holder of GALA, but this is more bad news, right? But probably on the huge side, we could see a very flash pump. We could see a very flash pump, as recently we have seen a lot of coins on Binance just have a flash pump. All right, we could see a flash pump probably to about the next liquidity zone or the next resistance zone, which is about 0.027, which is about a 40% increase in price, right? So it's something, yeah, if you're a bag holder, right, it just doesn't make sense to sell out now because you're already down bad. So probably you could just hodl, and probably you could wait for the next upward price action so that you can sell out, right? If we pull up our indicators, you could see that money is leaving GALA on bigger time frames. Same thing even with the oscillator, even though our oscillator showing some little bullish momentum on the daily, but I wouldn't count on it, right? So probably we should still expect lower prices. If we switch over to the 12 hours, as you can see, still being rejected by the EMA rebound, so we probably should expect lower prices for the price of GALA, right? You remember, this is not financial advice, this is just for educational and entertainment purposes. So don't take my word for it, but for what we're seeing in the chat, expect lower prices. As you can see, money, even on the 12 hours, a lot of money is leaving GALA. The whales are selling. the whales are dumping on everybody. As you can see, every single time some little amounts of money come in, the whale gets in and dumps on a lot of people. So you want to direct right now, there's high probability, but expect more downside for Gala. Thank you and have a great day.